What's up guys, welcome back to Dudes Love Lulu, and today's video we're going to be looking at the Surge jogger in the charcoal gray colorway here. I will say off the bat, these are my favorite Lululemon pants I own by far. They're crazy comfortable. I do want to show them off today. Now before we start, I am affiliated with Lululemon. I do work for their head office downtown Vancouver. And I am a size large in all my pants, size extra large in all my tops. My full measurements are in the description down below as well. I just want to go try these on. Let's just go put them on. Okay, so here we have my favorite Lululemon pant, my Surge jogger. These are incredibly stretchy. It feels like you're almost not wearing any pants. It is a fake on the front here fly. There are some drawstrings on it as well, which is really nice. Your pockets, you do have one set of pockets on the sides with zippers. No pockets on the back, although you do have this weird flap thing. They are not waterproof, water resistant, but they do dry very, very fast, which is nice. And yeah, these are my favorites by far. Let's do some turns. So yeah, there you guys go. Again, my favorite Lululemon pants so far. Now, if you guys did like today's video, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. I will be the #1 source for all things male Lululemon on YouTube very, very soon. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.